Hello everyone, how to increase volume of video in Clipchamp. So let's start. The first click on the create a new video and wait for a few seconds. Then go to the left hand side and click on the import media option and select here your video. So click on the downloads and select the sample video and click on the open. And here your video is imported. Wait for the few seconds and it's done. Now just drag the video and drop in your timeline. And I just play this video. You just listen the volume of this video.
Hello everyone, how to hide data in charts without deleting. So let's start. So here you can see.
Now I click on this video. Then go to the right hand side. Click on the audio. And you can see the volume option. I just increase the volume. Drag with the mouse. Now again I play this video. And you can see the changes over here.
Hello everyone, how to hide data in charts without deleting. So let's start.
Volume here increased. So you can decrease the volume also and you can mute also. So I just mute it. I just click on it, mute here. Now I play. Now you can see your video is mute. Okay. Unmute again. Just click on this option and it's unmute. Now I just play again.
Hello everyone, how to hide.
That's it. So this is a way you can increase the volume of your video in Clipchamp. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.